Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. Hope so everybody is fine and enjoying the winter holidays and lockdown holidays at home with mom and dad. And you are taking care of your health from the severe weather. Let's start the lecture. And first, let me tell you that in this today's lecture, I will tell you the work of 6 to 7 days. The first day work, second day, third day, fourth, fifth, and the same way onward. And you have to keep in mind one thing that you will not forward the first day work on the next day. The same day you have to do the work. As all of you have to seen the data handling and data organizing activity in the previous video, and today we will start the lecture. And one thing that I want to share with the tutors and with the parents, that please don't show these answers to the students. First let them do, because these are very easy exercises, and you let them do their self, and then at the end they can match their answers from this video. But request is that that student must do that all the work by himself or herself. Let's start our first day work, that what is a data and how we organize and how we handle the data. This is the notebook work. What you will do, that you have to write the definition of data on the notebook in the same way as you have to write your homework. Here you will write date, and on this corner you will write the day. Your topic is data handling, and your question is data, what is data? So the definition you have to memorize it by heart, and then you have to practice it again and again on the rough register. So data is a piece of information which can be organized by pictures, tables, charts, and blocks. This is the definition that explains what is a data. So now from the book we will see that how we handle the data through pictures, how we handle the data through tables, charts, and blocks. It is very easy if you see from the book. With these activity you can easily learn and memorize this definition. Let's jump on the second day work. The second day work is this warm-up activity that you have to see this picture. As I already explained you that mother is discussing the benefits of fruits with the kid, and there are 5 fruits. So here first you have to read the question, count each fruit used for the salad, and complete the table given below. Which fruit name is written over here, you will count it from the table and then write its answer in numbers. So how many apples are there, you will count and write over here, and in the same way all other fruits. This is the second day work, and now we jump on the third day work. That is again an activity of balloons. Let's see it, that how many balloons are there and what are the tick marks, how we write the numbers of balloons, and how we handle this data of balloons through pictures in the table. There are 4 color balloons. You can see green, red, yellow, and blue. Now they are saying that you have to tick mark and also write the number of balloons. How many green balloons are there in the group? You will put that much tick marks on this table. Like if we count the green, 1, 2, 3, and 4 balloons are there, and we write here number 4, and 4 tick marks we will write in this table, right? So these red, yellow, blue, this activity you have to do on your notebook. That what you will do, you will draw these all balloons and color them. Then you will draw the table, green, red, yellow, blue. Here these things you will write, and then you will close the book. After closing the book, you have to count from your notebook that how many green balloons, red balloons, yellow balloons and blue balloons are there. Then you will put the same tick marks and you will write in the number. Now jump on the third day activity. That is again, please, again a request to the parents and to the tutors that don't show these answers to the students. Let them do their self, because these are quite easy activities. So question is that all the 20 students of class 2B were asked to name their favorite subject. Following observations were made. 20 students have give these information that the like first student said that he like math, second said that he like English, science, Urdu, and so on. This data we get from the class. Now what to do with this data? They are saying that you have to put a tick mark for the subjects, that how many students like English subject and how many like Urdu subject, science and maths in the same way. So we will count from here number of English subject: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we do that we put 6 tick marks over here in this table, and number of students are 6, so we write here in numbers. And the same way you have to do for Urdu, science and mathematics. The second that you have to do color a block in the given table for each subject. How many students like English? 6. So what we will do, I shade just with lead pencil, you have to do it with color pencil. I shaded 6 boxes because 6 students like this. Now you will see from here that how many students like Urdu, and again you will shade those boxes that how many students like Urdu. In the same thing you will do for science and mathematics. Now we will jump on the fourth day work. Fourth day work, again an activity of data handling, that here happy faces are shown in the book and months are there. In every month there are different celebrations for the birthdays. Like there they say that in January there are 5 birthdays of the students of class 2A, and in February there are 3 students birthdays: March 2 students, April 3, May 1, June 4 and July 6, August 4, September 2, and the same way October 8 students, November 3 and December 2. So these all happy faces are giving us information about the birthdays of the students. Now we will see from this table and we will answer these all questions. That first question is that in which month do 6 children have their birthdays? So we will count the number of happy faces in which month there are 6 happy faces. We write here the month, that is July. Which month has the largest number of birthdays? So in which month there are many happy faces, we will write that month, that is the October. So we will write here October. Which month has the least number of birthdays and how many? Which have less number of birthdays, in which month there are less number? So it is here, that is May. Just one student's birthday is there, so we will write here May, and student are 1. How many birthdays does the month of April have? You find from here that where is April? April is here. So you will count here the happy faces, that is 1, 2 and 3. So here we write the number 3. Done. And now the fourth day activity, it is about the sports. Which game you like and what you want to do with that. Here just symbols of those games are given, like this is cricket, so bat and ball is here. This is football, so just football is here. This is badminton, so rackets are there, and here the small girl is skipping. This is the skipping, what we call it, skipping. You can also play all these games at home. and skipping is also very healthy for everyone to keep strong. Let's come on the work. Here the question is given that count the number of each sport and color the same number of blocks. I didn't color for you. You have to color yourself. I just tick mark the blocks. And like football, how many students like football? So you will count here footballs, there are 3, so you will shade and color 3 blocks. And the same way cricket, skipping and badminton, the same thing you will do for all the games. After that you will write the answers of these questions, the sports liked by the largest number. You just, there is no need to count from here. Now you will just see this table, that what the table is telling you. This table where the more blocks are shaded, it means that sport is liked by the largest number. So here it is shaded more times, so we write here cricket. How many students like football? So where is football? Find it, it's here. So you find how many blocks are shaded. These are 3, so you will write here 3. Now look, it's quite easy from the tables rather than from the pictures to analyze and organize the data. So this is called basically data handling. Here we handle the data, and now here we can easily answer the simple questions. Now we don't need here counting, we just see the table and then answer. The sport liked by the smallest number is here, which have less shaded blocks, so it is skipping. We write here skipping. Which sport is liked by exactly 4 students? So where the 4 blocks are colored, we see that is badminton. So this is done. 1 week work is there, and in the next I will come with a test for you for the chapter of data handling. So be ready for that. If you have any query, any question, you can simply ask to your parents or your tutors that text me in the WhatsApp group that which thing you don't understand or which thing you want to repeat again. So I will help you. Fi aman Allah.